So the new heavy infantry rifle came out, and you know your boy is gonna go find 5 of them, or attempt to at least, and only get a victory royale using this one gun. Now I've attempted this before, and I got to second place actually, and got absolutely destroyed, because as the title says, this gun doo-doo. But I'm still going to attempt it, and hopefully I can get it done. I have trouble getting a victory royale as it is, so I'm not sure why. I think I can get one by only using this golden gun that will be impossible to find and I don't even like. But I'm still gonna try. It and I'm gonna upload it and alright, that's yes. Oh my gosh. Alright. We're in business, boys. We're in business. The boys are in business. Let's get it. Alright, I am going to be playing bigger from now on. Because I have such a hard time finding this stupid gun, dude. Please stop, please stop. Boom. There you go. I dare you. Oh no. Whose man is that? Can you try less hard? Please, for 1 second. How about this? Alright. So, let's think about this. Okay. Sfordy, your name is garbage, first of all. Get a better name. Your name is trash. Alright? Sfordy, that's on the lines of friggin' Phlegm and Death Slayer 22. Alright? Let's think about this. How about for 1 second, you stop taking a children's game so seriously, and for 1 second, how about this, you have fun with the game. I'm having fun with it. Look at that. You died to the storm. And that's all because of how you're playing. Alright, look at that. Three big pots. The game is liking me right now. I will say that. Another big pot. What the fuck? Dude. Game is really hitting out those big pots. And there's someone here. That's good. That's sick. Wait, 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 wait. Alright, I'm just going over. Oh!
Mining away. I don't know what to mine. I'll mine this anyway.
Is this guy for real right now? Hi. Hi. What's up, dude? No, come on, come on. Alright, he's gonna be my default friend. Come on. Come on. You take a big pot. Take another one. Oh shoot, dude, it's the storm. I think this guy is legitimately a default. Default the storm. Bro. What are you doing? Bro, come on. Storm, dude. Come on, this way. Alright, you're getting it, you're getting it. Yes, come on, come on. Default. Default. Here. Campfire. Now we can both get it. You best not be trying to hurt me with that. I think this guy is a for real default. Nothing. Alright, I gotta go back to my default friend. Come here, default. Let's go. Alright, let's go. My boy. Epic, please don't ban me. I don't have a gun, so it's not cheating. I promise I would kill him if I had a gun. I promise. Alright? I promise. I'm pretty sure this is teaming. I'm gonna get banned, dude. Alright, let's go. I swear it's duos. Dude, I swear it's duos. I just can't see him on the map or his health bar. But I swear it's duos. Shoot. I think I hear some. No, 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 default man! This guy has it! Oh my gosh. Come on, default man. we're gonna get reported for teaming. Let's go. Alright, default man. That was kind of not at him at all. Get him, default, get him. I believe in you. I believe in you. No, default man! I'm blocking him off. You better not. You better not. Don't kill him. You're not allowed to kill him. You better not. You believe this guy, default man? Yeah. He's running. He running. Oof. Get wood. That man ran from us. He knows the team good. I have a pickaxe, and this guy is the biggest bot I've ever seen. But he has a pump. So, yeah, you know they're scared. You know they're scared. You know they're completely scared. Where'd he go? Alright, he's over here. I gotta keep an eye on him. So he doesn't die. Come on, default man, let's go. Scar. Oh. Far out, dude. Far out. Nothing. No. You will not hurt my default man. Come on, default man. Let's getting this guy. Maybe... Whose server am I in? Look at these guys, dude. No. You will not hurt him. He is my friend. Get him, default man. Get him. Get him, default man. Come on. Let's get him. Bash him. We got him. Let's go, bro. Yeah, dance on him. Dance on him. I'm getting reported. Oh, yeah. No, default man, run. Run, default. Run. No, default man. I can't save him. No! He's dead. I'm gonna kill you for that. Come here. I don't care about the challenge anymore. Die! You killed him. You killed my friend. This is your fault. You did this to him. He's dead. That's what you get. You killed him. I miss him. You too. Come here, boy. This guy killed him too. It was his assisted murder. Yeah, that's what I thought. You killed default man. This is what you get. Pull up. You killed my friend. Oh, where did you come from? Yeah. Guess what? You killed them too. Huh? I'm gonna kill this guy. He assisted in the murder of default man. My best friend. My only friend, really. I miss him. I'm gonna try and win this game for you, default man. I love you. I loved him like he was my own mother. Like he was my own brother. My own Buddha. Yeah! That's what I thought! That's what you get! You killed him. You killed my friend. My own brother. Even though it was duos, and he was definitely my duo partner, and I was not teaming. Epic. I promise. That's right, boy! You assisted in the murder of default man. That's right! I won the game for you, default man. I won it for you. We may have not done the challenge, but I avenged my boy, default man. This was for you. I'll miss you. I'll miss you, default man. R.I.P.